What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Uyghurman. In this episode, I'm gonna talk about the completion of my 100 plus 2 daily push-up challenge. Hope you guys gonna like it. If you type 100 push-up to YouTube, you will see a lot of videos like this. It is called 100 push-up a day for 30 days challenge. I watched some of those and I just upgraded it to 100 plus 2 push-up challenge. Instead of doing 100 push-up a day, my rule is you will do 2 more push-ups than previous day. And it started at 100 push-up and it do 2 more every single days. At the last day of your challenge, you will do 158 push-ups and finish the challenge. So I have 2 questions for you guys. Question number 1, what do you think this challenge gonna feel like? Question number 2, can you accept this challenge? For question number 1, I will answer you in this video. Question number 2 is for you. Is for you who is watching this video right now. The first day was like a normal workout. I split 100 push-up to 5 sets. Each set was 20 push-up and I give myself 2 to 4 minutes to relax. I try to maximize the energy I get from my chest and I try to feel that struggle at the last couple push-ups in each set. On the second day, I feel a little pain from my chest, but it doesn't bother me to continue. With the days goes by, my chest pain was getting more and more painful. Day 4 was probably the hardest day. I still remember the pain while I was doing my push-ups that day. Then I completed half of my challenge and I made my video episode 31. On the day 20th, my daughter was born, which made my challenge harder because I was so excited. At the same time, because of Chinese virus, I was anxious and very worried. Even though I brought the camera with me to the hospital to record and continue my challenge as I planned, actually I became very busy interacting with different nurses and doctors, taking care of my wife and newborn baby. And I didn't feel like it was proper to do push-up at the hospital. And another excuse in my mind which made me pause my challenge was, I did more than half of my challenge anyway. I feel satisfying. I think, okay, I did a good job. It doesn't matter if I stop. Until I brought my beautiful daughter and wife to home safely in this pandemic time, I felt very blessed and happy. But if I quit my challenge, it would make me upset and not feel right. Because I never have allowed myself to quit something because of its hardness or inconvenience. I know the challenge was going to be hard and I even made it harder by myself than regular 100 push-up challenge. So if I quit means I lose the challenge that I set up by myself. It is shame and I shouldn't allow that happen. So eventually I restarted my challenge. Even though I stopped it for 3 days, but I encouraged myself to finish the rest of my challenge. I always want to be the person I respect, and if I don't finish this challenge, I don't think I would be respect myself because I didn't even complete the simple challenge I set to myself. So what do you think? Did I complete the challenge, or you think I should be considered as failed? Leave your answer below And generally speaking, because I did restart my challenge after 3 days break, I did not fully waste my time during self-isolation time. At least I had worked out and the results also pretty good for me. So I'm very happy with it. I love the feeling after the hardship like this. This is all about the answer of the question number 1. About what do I feel after complete this 30 days 100 plus 2 push-up challenge. So the second question is, can you accept this challenge? Let me know if you can. And it is very good challenge to improve your health and strength mentally and physically. Especially in this serious pandemic time, which our enemy want to take our lives with their invisible bioweapon. At least try it. It doesn't matter if you fail, but just never quit and you will be proud of yourself when you accomplish it.
You pull me out from the dust and you redefine me.
And that's all about it today. And remember, all I want is encourage you to stay healthy and stay safe during this serious wartime. Oh, please remember, hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. I'll see you next time.
You sang a song that unraveled me. The melody was enough to rewrite my story. There's no place I would rather be than in the light of your sun. It changes everything. There's no face I would rather see. You pull me out from the dust and you redefine me.